Hi there, students. On the cards. If something is on the cards, it's likely to happen. It's probable. It's very possible that that is what is going to occur. We very often use it with the phrase, it's on the cards that. So it's on the cards that you will get the promotion. It's on the cards that we will have a party next week. It's on the cards that you will be able to use this expression by the time you've watched the whole video. We also use this phrase in the way something is on the cards. So rain is on the cards today. It's probable it's going to rain. A new law is on the cards. It's something that looks very probable. I think a general election in the UK is on the cards. Okay? So we use this on the cards to say that something is very probably going to happen. Now, with this, I have the idea of a fortune teller using tarot, notice tarot cards, to tell somebody's future, to tell the future. And if it's on the cards, this is what the cards are saying. This is the prediction of the tarot cards for the future. Apparently in the US they use the phrase in the cards instead of on the cards, but I'm not certain about that one. Maybe you could tell me. Okay, so something that is on the cards is something that's liable to happen. What about formality? On the cards it's quite informal, maybe 4.5 informality, so a good thing for an informal conversation. I think for something more formal you would say it is likely that something is likely, something is probable, is possible. Okay, those are the types of words you need, but don't use on the cards in a formal setting. Okay, so something that's on the cards is something that's very probably going to happen. It's on the cards that tomorrow will be a good day. It's on the cards that he will pass his exam. It's on the cards that he will get this job. And then also using it with the subject first, something is on the cards. So an improvement is on the cards. A change in the weather is on the cards. A party to celebrate her birthday is on the cards. And there you go, it's that simple. So I think it's on the cards that you're going to give me a rating for this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. On the cards, or maybe in the cards.